Hello everyone. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe. It feels so strange to see the America full of life is now so calm. The city never sleeps when to sleep because of this pandemic. I, like many of you, have been working from home over 3 weeks now. Although it has not been easy, but I think I'm getting the hang of this new lifestyle. I'm here today for another testimony from my mom, Gulshan Abbas, 57 years old, retired Uyghur medical doctor. She is no one famous, not a renowned scholar, writer, or a celebrity. She, however, is the most loving, caring, kind-hearted woman who committed her life to do good deed for her community. Last time I spoke to her was September 10th, 2018. Not a single word from her since then, as if she just vanished into a thin air. Since then, myself, my sister, my aunt, and uncles are desperately seeking answers, demanding her whereabouts from the Chinese government. But we heard nothing. We believe she was taken to one of those prison camps, but again, can't confirm anything because getting information from back home has been very difficult. To this day, I don't know where she is, how she is. Now with this virus outbreak, I'm more worried than ever because these camps are ultimately the breeding ground for any viruses. Today marks 19 months for not being able to hear her voice. I feel helpless, terrified, and I miss her so much. I'm scared that one day the phone will ring and that will be the end of it. Through this video today, I want to ask the relevant authorities in China, where's my mother? Under the Chinese constitution, you have an obligation to provide information on her to her family, and we have a right to know her whereabouts and her current condition. So please provide information and proof of life. I will do whatever it takes to see my mom free, but I can't do this alone. I plead to everyone who's watching this, I need your help to get the word out. Please share this video, help me raise awareness. Your one share, one tweet, maybe even give me a chance to talk to her, see her. You can also visit our website on the screen to see the other ways you can get involved. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe.